Good morning, students. Today we are going to studying about here chemical kinetics. So already we learned previous class electrochemistry is completed. So now we are going to studying about here chemical kinetics. So first of all, what is mean by here kinetics? Kinetics. So kinetics. This word is the came from Greek word kinesis. Kinesis. Kinesis like that you are calling that. What is mean by here kinesis? Kinesis is nothing but movement. Movement is called as kinesis. That means movement is nothing but all moving objects is having energy is called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is nothing but all moving objects or all moving substances is having some energy is called kinetic energy. So what is mean by chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics is nothing but how much the reactions are takes place, how much the concentration of reactants are converted into concentration of product. So this chemical kinetics simply how we are defining means chemical kinetics is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of reaction rate and their mechanism. Reaction rate, reaction rate and their mechanism you are going to studying there. That is called chemical kinetics. That means reaction rate and their mechanism you are going to studying. That is called chemical kinetics. In this chemical kinetics chapter, what are the concepts, objectives you are going to studying there. First of all, see that. So average and instantaneous rate of reaction you are going to studying there. Next one, what are the terms? What are the terms? It is the rate of reaction. What are the terms where factors will be depending is takes place? That also we are going to studying. That means change in concentration. This under change in concentration of either the reactant side and product side with the time. With the time, how the concentration of reactants and products will be changes you are going to studying. Next, what is the difference between elementary and complex reaction differences you are going to studying there. And what is mean by here molecularity and order of reaction differences you are going to studying there. And what is mean by rate constant? What is mean by rate constant? What are the dependent concentration terms will there? Rate constant, what are the dependent factors are there? Concentration, temperature, catalyst. Next, you are going to studying about derivation for first order and second order and zero order. Zero order and first order reactions order. Derivations under we are going to studying there. Next one, rate constant for zero order and first order reactions we are going to studying there. And last one we are going to studying about here collision theory. So majorly these three concepts you are going to, so these concepts under we are going objectives majorly we are going to studying there. So in that, first of all, before going to seeing that chemical reactions commonly they are classified into three types is there. And depending upon the reacting nature, they are classified into three types. Some reactions are what happen very fast reactions are present. Some reactions are what happen very fastly the reactants are converted into products. And some reactions are classified like as medium reactions like that. Medium reactions. And third one is very slow reactions like that you are saying there. That means chemical reactions they are majorly they are classified into three types is there. One is very fast reactions, next medium reactions, and last one is slow reaction like that. They are classified. So this fast reactions under how we are saying mean that is delta G value is less than 0. For fast reactions what happen? The total change in Gibbs free energy function is less than 0 will be presenting means that reactions are called as feasible reactions. feasible reaction, or else you can say that spontaneous reactions. So spontaneous is nothing but what happen means the reactions will be takes place in a fraction of seconds. The reactions are carried out in the presence of a fraction of second time means that reactions are called as spontaneous reactions. So spontaneous or feasible reactions. Next one, see that medium reactions. Medium reactions is nothing but the total change in energy delta G value is equal to 0. These reactions are what you say medium reactions, or else you can say that equilibrium reactions. So equilibrium reaction, how you are expressing here in terms of thermodynamic function means delta G value is equal to 0. These reactions are called equilibrium reactions. Equilibrium reactions. Next, very slow reaction. Slow reaction, how we are expressing this thermodynamic function means delta G value is very much greater than 0. Delta G is greater than 0 means this reactions what is representing means slow reactions. That means I think the best example what you are using for this explanation means fast reaction. For example, fossil fuels are there like petrol, diesel, like that. So this petrol, diesel, that these chemicals, fossil fuels and all, what happen within fraction of seconds, reactants will be converted into product. Very fraction of seconds, what happen? Reactants is converted into product. That reactions are called spontaneous reactions. Next, if you are taken here, for example, if you are taken here spoiling of food under spoilage and all, how much time it will take? It will take either hours it will 24 hours it will take, or 42 hours it will take, like that. The reactions are takes place in terms of hours time it will be taking means that reactions are called medium reactions and so on called. So this medium reactions are what happen with thermodynamic equilibrium in nature. Next, for example, if you are taken here rusting of iron is there. So rusting of iron and all, what happen? It will take it will needed more time and all, what happen? More time will be required. So more time is required means this kind of reactions what you call means slow reactions, like that you are calling. Therefore, commonly in the chemical kinetics, what are the terms you are using? Mean there are three types of reactions are there. Very fast reactions, medium reactions, slow reaction, like that you are using there, right? So what is mean by a rate? Rate, now what you are saying, always you are using a rate, constant rate, like that you are using there. So rate is nothing but how we are defining means change in concentration per time. Change in concentration per time is called rate of reaction. So rate of reaction is equal to change in concentration per time is called rate, right? So this what is the rate constant, what is the average rate and instantaneous rate of reactions, that and all tomorrow class we are going to see that, right? So generally these basic things and all you have to keep in mind. Just all of you want to see that how we are defining that chemical kinetics, the definition wants to see there. Chemical kinetics, how we are defining mean the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of reaction rate and their mechanisms, called as chemical kinetics. That means the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of a reaction rate. That means how much reaction rates are there. That means very fastly the reaction is happening there, or slowly the reaction is takes place, or medium it will be takes place. That is reaction rate. How much speed the reaction will be how much speed the reactants are converted to form a product, that is reaction rate. And their mechanisms is nothing but whether the reaction is how much steps is happening there, either single step or a two step reaction, three step reaction, how this step by step mechanism, how it is happening there. So one equation is, for example, a plus b gives rise c plus d is there. This is one overall reaction. So this overall reaction, how many steps are it will be takes place, either two steps will be takes place or three steps also the reaction will be takes place. So this step 1, step 2, step 3 and all what you call mechanism like that. That means one step what happened, different compound will be forming. So this is how this reaction, overall reaction, how it is forming there, what are the steps will be involving there. That one we are going to studying in this chapter, right? So once again see that there are 3 points is given, chemical reactions and all how they are classified. Mean there are 3 terms they are given. Delta G value is less than 0 mean that reactions are called feasible in nature. And delta G value is, already I told you, delta G is less than 0 mean that reactions are feasible reaction or spontaneous. Delta G value is equal to 0 mean that reactions are equilibrium reactions. Delta G value is very greater than 0 mean these reactions are non-spontaneous in nature. So that means commonly they are classified into, there are 3 types of reactions: delta G less than 0, delta G greater than 0 and delta G is equal to 0, like that, right? So this is the best example, already I told you. For example, combustion of fuels are there. Combustion of fuels under what you are saying, spontaneous reactions. Within a fraction of seconds only what happen, easily they converting into product. For example, ripening of fruits are there. Ripening of fruits or spoiling of food is there. So this one what happen, it will take some hours time only, it will take the reactions. Next, delta G is greater than 0 is there. They need more time to complete the reaction. Time taken by a reaction to reach equilibrium. That means it will take more time, it will be taking there. Either 1 month time or 2 months or 3 months or 1 year also it will be taking. That is called years of time is required. That reactions are called non-spontaneous reactions, right? First, what is mean by here? Chemical kinetics is nothing but it is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of reaction rates and their mechanisms is called chemical kinetics. So by using this chemical kinetics only about the feasibility of the reaction we are going to measuring there. Feasibility is nothing but whether the reaction is spontaneous is happening or non-spontaneous will be happening there. So that one you are going to measuring there. So that purpose there are chemical kinetics, especially there are 3 types of reactions will be there: medium reaction, very fast reaction and very slow reactions will be happening there. So therefore simply what you say means, so this chemical kinetics is not only help us to determine the speed or rate of a chemical reaction, but also describes the conditions by which the reaction rate can be altered. So not only the speed of the reaction is giving information, it will alter the conditions also, conditions by which the reaction rates can be altered. Reaction rates also what happen, altering is takes place. That also will gives the information about this. So this is about here chemical kinetics general introduction part. So tomorrow we are going to seeing this rate of chemical reaction, what is mean by rate and how we are expressing for the chemical reactions and average rate and all how it is there, and instantaneous reaction rates and all how it is presenting there. Tomorrow class we are going to see there, right? If you have any doubts is there in this concept regarding, you just call me after that or send one message. And one more thing, many of them students they are asking me about while writing the record and all, how you are writing there, what pens and all you have to use it, like that. Some students are asking the doubts. So once again just remember in your mind. So while already we sent in a group record how to writing that and all details already clearly is mentioned. So once again, just to go through it. So record and all already physical chemistry and all first you are going to writing there. Physical chemistry and all physical chemistry followed by organic chemistry functional groups you are writing there, and at last what you are writing, inorganic chemistry you are writing there, inorganic. So physical chemistry what will be there means surface chemistry is there, surface chemistry. Next chemical kinetics, next chromatography. So like that there are 3-4 lessons are there, so 3-4 relevant experiments are there. So the 3-4 relevant experiments and elastically how to finish it in your record. First you have to start by here physical chemistry only. Next, after completing that physical chemistry, organic functional groups are there. Organic functional groups are there. Alcohol, phenol, alcohol is there, aldehyde is there, next ketone is there, like that. All the carboxylic acid, amide, amino, like that, all these functional groups are there. So that functional groups also you have to write like this manner. Next, after completing that organic, inorganic will be there, presenting inorganic chemistry or inorganic qualitative analysis is there. That means this is what is in salt analysis. So nearly how many salts you are going to writing in that record mean nearly 10 salts already we sent in a PDF file, just go through that. So 10 salts and all you are writing there, right? So physical and organic and all while writing that time you have to check it. Checks is the ruled paper and all you have to use it. Writing part, theory part and all you have to use that ruled paper. And white pages side you are going to express here only chemical reactions also you can write. Reactions, tabular columns, calculations. So diagrams you can write in white page side, left side, that means white pages side what you are writing, diagrams, next tabular columns, next calculation. Especially these three concepts and all you have to write in white side pages. Remaining ruled paper and all you have to write for the procedures and all you have to write in that. Procedure, result, operators, aim, all these things you have to write in ruled paper. Next, at last what happened, our inorganic chemistry is there, salt analysis. So one salt completing after you have to give some space and go for next salt. Like that, nearly how many salts you are going to write in? 10 salts you are going to write in there. And while writing that record, you must and should use only 2 pens only you have to use. Either blue pen you can use or black pen you can use, or both also you can use. Black pen is only useful for writing subheadings alone. Underline this line. Black color is only you are writing for subheadings and all mentioning purpose only you are using there. Remaining theory part and all what you are writing may use blue pen. Either you can use ink pen or gel pen also use, no problem. But you have to use it in blue pen only. 99% you have to use blue pen only you have to use. Black and all if you are interested means use it in a subheadings writing purpose, use it. Remaining part and all you have to use maximum blue color pen only you can use it, right? Further any doubts is there regarding that, just speak out, I can explain, right? So thank you very much. Tomorrow we will meet you in that next session. So what is meant by average and instantaneous reaction rates and all we are going to see there. So thank you very much.